Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to find a custom field ID in Jira. Finding a custom field ID in Jira is a crucial task, especially when you're looking to customize your workflow, generate specific reports, or even integrate Jira with other tools. Understanding this process can help streamline your tasks, making your work in Jira more efficient and tailored to your needs. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, identifying these IDs might seem like a minor detail, but it holds significant value in optimizing your Jira experience. Let's dive right into the steps to locate these custom field IDs. First and foremost, ensure you're logged into your Jira account. If you're new to Jira, don't worry. Just click on the Sign Up option and follow the simple on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to begin. There are a couple of methods to find the custom field IDs in Jira. The first method is a bit more technical, but straightforward once you get the hang of it. Start by locating the specific task or issue where you need to find the custom field ID. For instance, say you have an issue you want to explore further. Right-click on it and select the Inspect option. This action will open the Developer Tools panel of your browser. In this panel, you will need to press Ctrl+F to activate the search function. Type in Custom Field, and as you scroll through the results, you should come across the name and ID of your desired custom field. It's a detailed process, but once you find the ID, it can be very rewarding because it's right there in the code. If this method seems a bit too complex or technical, don't worry. There is a simpler alternative. Hover over the issue you are interested in and navigate to the Filters section. From there, click on View All Issues. Once you're on this page, you have the option to export the data. Choose to export it as an XML file. When you open this file, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see the custom field ID clearly listed there. It's typically formatted as custom field _ followed by a number. This method is often considered easier and more user-friendly, especially for those not familiar with developer tools. Knowing your custom field ID is invaluable for a range of tasks. It allows you to automate workflows, create custom reports, and engage in other programmatic interactions within Jira. For example, when implementing Jira automation rules or scripts, these IDs can help you specify conditions, actions, and triggers based on the data from your custom fields. Additionally, when developing custom dashboards or reports that incorporate data from these fields, having the correct IDs ensures that your data is accurate and up to date. That's it for this tutorial on how to find a custom field ID in Jira. Subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.